Tired of small tasks taking way too much effort? These mini tools and gadgets are designed to handle tiny jobs quickly, cleanly, and with almost no hassle. From precise fixes to everyday tweaks, they make everything feel 1,000 times easier. All product links are in the description below. This mini hand drill packs serious precision into a tiny tool. 2 speed modes let you switch from high torque for tough materials to fast drilling for wood, plastic, and thin metal. A long-lasting battery and USB-C charging keep you working without constant recharges. The control knob and LED feedback make it easy to drill smoothly and accurately on any DIY project. Say goodbye to wasteful air canisters. This compressed air duster is a powerful mini blower with 3 adjustable speeds, letting you blast dust and debris exactly how you need. It's portable, rechargeable, and perfect for tight spaces, like inside your car or under your keyboard. One full charge gives you up to 100 minutes of cleaning power. It charges fast via Type-C and gets the job done without chemicals or waste. Need a lift without the wobble? These double-sided drywall stilts give you height with serious stability. Super grip soles keep every step slip-free, while the balanced design helps you stay steady the whole time. They're strong enough for the job, but light enough to move naturally. Fully adjustable to fit your needs, and built to reduce stress and fatigue. High work just got way more comfortable. Mowing just got a serious upgrade. This lithium-powered riding mower delivers nearly 28 horsepower of clean, quiet power. It cuts up to an acre on a single charge and fully recharges in just 90 minutes. One-handed joystick steering makes it fun to drive. The LCD screen shows your battery, runtime, and more. It even has LED headlights, a USB port, and adjustable cutting height. Keeping your car clean just got way easier. This compact trash can holds all the wrappers, cups, and random clutter that usually ends up on the floor. It's 100% leak-proof, so spills and messes won't seep through, and the lid keeps odors under control. Side pockets give you extra storage for small items, making it more than just a bin. With its adjustable strap, you can hang it anywhere for quick and tidy access. This scooter throws a curveball. Instead of regular wheels, it rides on basketballs. Yes, actual basketballs. It glides just like a normal scooter, but with a twist that turns heads. You can even pop the basketballs off in seconds for storage or swapping. You can ride anywhere. Fun, smooth, and totally unique. It rolls just as easily on pavement as any traditional ride. This chair moves like it reads your mind. With just the press of a button, it shifts from sitting to lying flat in seconds. No bending, no effort. Designed for full ergonomic support, it's perfect for working under cars or in tight spaces without straining your body. Smooth, maneuverable wheels let you glide around with ease. It's built for comfort during long, demanding tasks, and built to save your back. No more squeezing, dripping, or mess. This battery-powered adhesive applicator makes gluing fast, smooth, and totally effortless. The ergonomic design keeps you standing upright while working, so your back and arms don't wear out. It spreads adhesive evenly with a wide nozzle and large tube, saving time and cutting down on waste. And with a spare battery ready to go, you'll never have to stop mid-project. It's small enough for your keychain, but tough enough for a toolbox. This heavy-duty pry bar is a minimalist powerhouse that takes on the jobs of 20 different tools. Pop, pry, scrape, twist. It's built to handle serious tasks without flinching. Rugged by design, it's made for rough use in any setting. And thanks to its ultra-compact size, you'll always have it right when you need it. Washing dishes just got way more fun. This handheld dishwasher clamps onto your plates with a claw-like grip and spins them clean right under the sink. Just hold it, turn it on, and let it do the work. There are even slots for utensils, so you can clean forks and knives without scrubbing. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for small kitchens or quick cleanups. Get crisp, clean edges without the hassle. This veneer edge cutter tool trims, deburrs, shapes arcs, and slices off excess banding like a pro. It works on wood veneer, plastic, PVC, and more, making it perfect for all kinds of projects. Swapping or expanding the blade is simple with just 3 screws. And with 10 extra blades and 4 circular scrapers included, you're ready for precision cuts every time. Storage and seating in one? That's smart. This heavy-duty folding box gives you 60 liters of space for clothes, tools, or camping gear. And when closed, it doubles as a sturdy seat that can hold an adult. The tough plastic build with reinforced handles and lid keeps everything secure. When you're done, it folds flat to save space. Perfect for road trips, camping, or just keeping your trunk organized. Long drives don't have to mean sore necks. This adjustable car headrest pillow gives you proper support so you can nap or rest comfortably on the road. The arms rotate up and down to fit both kids and adults and fold away neatly when not in use. Made with soft memory foam and a smooth leather cover, it's durable, comfy, and easy to clean. Installs in minutes on most headrests with poles. Clutter doesn't stand a chance with these foldable crates. They pop open to hold everything from groceries to tools, then collapse flat when not in use. Stack them up for a tidy garage, or slide them into the trunk for organized shopping trips. Lightweight but tough, they can handle heavy loads without breaking a sweat. A smart space-saving solution that keeps your home, car, or office neat and orderly. Lunch on the go doesn't have to be a balancing act. This car tray slides right into your cup holder and instantly gives you a stable table for food, drinks, or even your phone. The swivel arm rotates smoothly, so you can adjust it for yourself or share with a passenger. A built-in phone slot keeps your screen propped up while you eat. Compact, sturdy, and super handy for busy days. Precision carpentry just got a whole lot easier. This pocket hole jig takes the guesswork out of setup. No need to fiddle with adjustments. Just match the easy set drill bit to your material thickness using the clear markings on the side. The self-adjusting clamp locks everything in place automatically. It speeds up your workflow and makes every joint strong, clean, and repeatable. Heavy appliances don't stand a chance against this powered stair climber. It practically hauls fridges, dryers, and cupboards for you, saving your back and your energy. Going up, the motor pulls itself up each step quickly and safely. Coming down, it slows itself automatically like a built-in brake, giving you smooth, hands-free control. No complicated controls, no strain, just smart, effortless moving. Your car just got smarter and more organized. This armrest box doubles as extra storage and a wireless charger, so your phone powers up while staying tucked away. Coins, cards, keys, and other small items all have a neat spot instead of sliding into the gaps. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, it also adds a touch of style to your interior. Perfect for long drives, it gives your arm a comfortable place to rest too. This LED display screen is made for quick setups and big visuals. With a dual quick lock system, you can snap it together or pull it apart in seconds. No tools, no hassle. It's highly waterproof and built to handle tough environments. Need a larger display? Just sync it seamlessly with hundreds of other screens. Road trips just got way more organized. This clever backseat organizer gives you 2 cup holders, a tissue box slot, and handy hooks for bags, snacks, or umbrellas. No more clutter rolling around the floor. You've got a spot for everything. The smooth leather finish wipes clean in seconds and stays durable over time. Easy to install on most headrests, it keeps your car neat and passengers happy. Lifting heavy gear doesn't have to mean heavy effort. This hydraulic lift table cart handles up to 330 pounds and raises loads up to 43 inches high. The 5-wheel base make it stable and easy to move. Use the foot pedal to lift items smoothly, no bending needed. When it's time to lower, a simple finger release brings everything down gently and safely. Driving feels a lot nicer when the air is fresh and comfortable. This compact humidifier adds just the right amount of moisture, helping with dry eyes, scratchy throats, and even static. It runs quietly, so it won't distract you on the road. The rhinestone design gives your car a little sparkle and style, making it both functional and fun. Blinding sunlight or glaring headlights, both can make driving stressful. These clip-on visors cut through glare so your eyes stay comfortable day or night. The gray panel blocks harsh sun during the day, while the yellow panel softens bright headlights at night. They flip down in seconds and attach easily to your car's existing visor. Compact, durable, and perfect for safer, more relaxed driving on long trips. Hot car rides don't have to be uncomfortable. This rechargeable dual-head fan clips onto the backseat headrest and delivers cool air exactly where you need it. Each fan can spin 360 degrees and has its own controls, so passengers can choose their perfect breeze. With 3 speeds and up to 16 hours of runtime, it keeps kids, pets, or anyone in the backseat comfortable. Feel like a superhero without breaking a sweat. This arm exoskeleton gives you a serious power boost, making heavy lifting feel light and effortless. It conserves your energy while doing the hard work for you. No more soreness or fatigue. Easy to strap on, fully washable, and designed to move naturally with your body. Maximum freedom, minimum effort. It's like having mechanical muscles. Tailgates, beaches, campsites. This cooler rolls in ready. A rugged hard cooler with all-terrain wheels and a built-in drink dispenser. You can fill with anything from water, lemonade, or any type of canned drink. Top-tier ice retention, keeping things frosty for hours on end. Load it with up to 72 cans or 12 bottles of wine standing upright. It even has a built-in bottle opener for instant refreshment. Big mess, small package. The G-Tech Multi-Platinum Handheld Vacuum gives you 30 minutes of cordless cleaning power on a single charge. At just over 3 pounds, it's light but mighty, tackling car interiors, stairs, upholstery, and pet hair with ease. With its power brush head, crevice tool, extension tube, and dusting brush, every corner is covered. Bonus: replaceable scented cartridges keep things fresh while you clean. Floor work doesn't have to wreck your knees. These rolling knee pads let you glide effortlessly while staying low to the ground. With 360-degree turning wheels, you can move in any direction without getting up. They're compact, strong enough to support up to 360 pounds, and built for long projects. Say goodbye to pain and pressure. Your knees will thank you for this one. Robots can now sand like seasoned pros. This smart orbital sander mounts directly onto industrial arms and handles intense workloads with total precision. It adapts to almost any mechanical coupling, making integration seamless. With a long-life motor and built-in safety for wet sanding, it's made for heavy-duty jobs. Plus, it runs at a consistent, configurable RPM, so every surface gets the perfect finish every single time. Turn your kitchen sink into a flexible helper. This water tap extender bends and moves in any direction thanks to its 360-degree universal faucet design. Rinse veggies, clean dishes, or fill pots without the mess. Its anti-splash flow saves water and cuts down cleanup. Made from soft, food-grade silicone, it's totally safe and easy to use. Installs in minutes and stretches up to 50 centimeters when you need the extra reach. Your toolbox just got some firepower. This compact, battery-powered framing gun gives you the punch of a .45 caliber nailer. Fast, powerful, and cordless. You just load it up, aim at the wood, and trigger solid, consistent drives without fumbling with compressed air hoses. With smart battery tech, it keeps performance steady so each nail goes in smooth and strong. Lightweight yet rugged, it's made for tough days on the job. No sweat, just precision. When space is tight but you still need a boost, this stepladder gets it just right. It folds down into one slim vertical shape, perfect for sliding between appliances or into narrow closets. Pull it out in seconds, and it opens into a sturdy, reliable ladder for reaching shelves, cabinets, or ceiling fixtures. Compact, easy to store, and always ready when you need that extra height. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.